OMG, I am so excited, y'all. This is the first installation of a new series that I want to do. But I almost always do this, but yeah, I'm matching my makeup to what I'm wearing. I'm matching my makeup to my shirt. And so today I have on this Shein shirt that is super cute, but I really like the little dots that are on the lace part of the shirt. So that's what I wanted to do today, y'all. This look was quite fun. Makeup is just so much fun for me. I just love doing my makeup. I love getting glam. Well, I don't know if I get glam because I'm kind of standoffish when it comes to lashes nowadays. But I will say I really, really love makeup. Lashes, I don't know. I love lashes, but I don't like the work that has to go into them. But yeah, I just finished putting on my foundation. I really like that foundation. It's super cute, but I think it gets darker as the day goes on. And now I'm just using some translucent powder to mattify and to really help that foundation stick to my face. So yeah, y'all, you're gonna be seeing me singing throughout this video. I was not going through, but I was experiencing some praise and worship on yesterday, y'all. I had a great time listening to my gospel songs. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing all throughout this video. All right, now I am brushing out my eyebrows and filling them in with a lip liner. That's actually a lip liner. But yeah, Marcel was in the background, and then I switched the camera, pushed it over a little bit, pushed it back. Now I am buffing out my concealer. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I left the concealer on a little while, and then I came back to buff it out. You want to let your concealer sit on your face for a little while, dry down just a little bit, and now you can go back and like buff it out. I forgot this step for a while, but now I'm right back at it. All right, now I am taking they call it a transition color, but I'm using like this brown slash red type color, and I'm putting it in the crease area. And now I'm using a kimchi pencil sharpener to sharpen my blue liner, y'all. I'm having a great time. Look at me just dancing and singing and having a great time. But yeah, I don't know about this pencil. This pencil, I like the color payoff, but it's a little dry. Maybe I should have warmed it up on my hand a little bit. But yeah, I'm drawing in a line, and then I'm gonna fill that line in with this brown gel liner from ELF. But yeah, I am making a wing, but I feel like I did too much with my wing. Like, I don't think I needed this much. But you know what? When in the game of makeup, it could go too much very quick. But yeah, I'm gonna take that blue liner and also put it on my waterline area. Now I'm going to try and do those dots. I want to mimic the dots that are in my shirt. So I'm taking this, one of the only blue liners I have, liquid liners that I have, and I'm trying to make little dots. And I want the dots to be bigger than, a small dot. So that's why it's taking me a little while. But yeah, this was kind of like scary. And please excuse my dry hands. My hands look so dry, and they were, y'all. I actually think that I'm going to stop using the hand soap that I've been using. I used the soap from, not Victoria's Secret, Bath and Body Works. And I really feel like it's been drying out my hands. Like, my hands have been super dry. So I'm thinking about actually investing in a luxury brand of hand soap. I'm thinking about it. I don't know for sure, but I'm thinking about it. I need something that's not going to dry my hands out. And I read in some articles on yesterday that a lot of people experience the drying of the hands with that particular soap. It's the foaming one, and they said that one is the worst. Like, that one, some people say it made their hands crack and bleed. Now, my hands aren't that dry, but they're drier than dry, So I'm thinking about changing and going to the other extreme of getting something super luxury. Like I found soaps that were like $40 for one bottle. Hey, but hopefully you would think and you would hope that it's going to keep your hands, moisturized but clean. All right, it's time to contour. So I am putting me some bronzer on the perimeter of my face and stopping at the bottom of my cheekbones. I feel like I missed a spot with my concealer or something over there by my eye, but perfection does not exist, so that's fine. Okay, that's totally fine. Now I'm taking some highlighter and buffing it into my face and on my nose, and then I'm taking a little bit of highlighter and putting it on my brow bone, to accentuate my brows. So that's what I'm doing here. And I used two highlighters to do that. Now I'm getting some blush from my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm putting my blush on. And lastly, I have to do my lips. I'm taking this brown, I think it's called Woody Brown, and I'm using it to line my lips, or basically to be that background color. And then I'm using this Maybelline lippy here. Alright, y'all, it's time for another price break. We can't help but lift our hands up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And here is the finished look, y'all. I love the fact that when I look up, it's like a mystery. You can't even see the dots until I close my eyelids. So I really like that. We are now going to go over the products that I used in this video, y'all. So I wanted to do something new. I was kind of excited, but yeah, I have this little picture format of all of the products that I used, and I'm going to go through each one. So the first one is the foundation. You're going to hear me moving the products because I have them right in front of me so that I can give you all the deets. But anyways, the foundation is from CoverGirl, and it is the True Blend Matte Made Foundation. It's a comfort matte, and it is in the color bronze. Again, I said it does get darker as the day goes by for me. The concealer I use is from Maybelline. It is the Age Rewind Concealer in the color tan. For the eyebrow pencil, I use a lip liner from NK Makeup in the color brown. For the translucent powder, it's from Laura Mercier in the color translucent medium deep. And then that last product to the far right is the Revolution Glow matte bronzer in the color medium. All right, moving to that second row on the left, I have some actual hair gel, y'all. It's that black hair gel. I put that on my eyebrows, and then on the far right are all of the little pencils that I use. The first one is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio pencil. It is a gel pencil liner in the color Striking Navy, followed by the e.l.f. gel liner in the color Coffee. And then that blue metallic color I have is from Ruby Kisses, and it is the Liquid Genius High IQ liquid liner in the color Blue Sapphire. Now, following that is the Morphe palette. It is the 35M palette. That's what I use for the transition color. I also use that palette to go over the dots with this dark blue color, just so that the dots wouldn't be as metallic. Next up is the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette in the Volume 2. This is Volume 2. And then I have my highlighters. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in Sunset Aura, and the highlighter Pose from the Shayla X ColourPop collection. And last but not least, I have the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Mascara, y'all. I highly recommend it. It makes my lashes super cute. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye!